This is how to change a cabin filter in a Kia Ceed 2022. You open the glove box. You have this plastic right here. You do half a turn. This is coming right out. This comes. So here is where the cabin air filter sits. You press here, you press here. The cover comes right out. And this is the filter, okay? You need to watch the airflow. You have marks, airflow down, okay? I take it out. Okay. This is the right way down. So I take the filter, I push it in, just like that. It's in. Now I take the lid back, and it should just snap in place. This is snap. This also. Now I do the reversal. Right here. Put the plastic right here with half a turn. Also here, let me show you on this side. It's only one way and half a turn. This is how you change the cabin air filter in Kia Ceed 2022. I think it's for other models too. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.